friends, today we are at Millennium Park. It's located in the heart of downtown Chicago. You can see the big Christmas tree, Cloud Gate, ice skating, and Crown Fountain with us, Chicago's official Christmas tree. The 111th annual City of Chicago Christmas tree in Millennium Park will shine brightly near the intersection of Michigan Avenue and Washington Street. From November 22nd through January 8th, this year's tree, a 53-foot Colorado blue spruce, was donated by the Holden Shattuck family of Logan Square. Cloud Gate is British artist Anish Kapoor's first public outdoor work installed in the United States. The 110-ton elliptical sculpture is forged of a seamless series of highly polished stainless steel plates, which reflect Chicago's famous skyline and the clouds above. A 12-foot-high arch provides a gate to the concave chamber beneath the sculpture, inviting visitors to touch its mirror-like surface and see their image reflected back from a variety of perspectives. Inspired by liquid mercury, the sculpture is among the largest of its kind in the world, measuring 66 feet long by 33 feet high. Ice skating at the McCormick Tribune Ice Rink in Millennium Park is presented by Discover Financial Services, with additional sponsorship support provided by Chicago Transit Authority and Millennium Garages. Admission to the ice rink is free, but reservations are required. The ice rink runs from November 15th until February 2nd. Crown Fountain is designed by Spanish artist Jaume Plensa. The fountain consists of two 50-foot glass block towers at each end of a shallow reflecting pool. The towers project video images from a broad social spectrum of Chicago citizens, a reference to the traditional use of gargoyles in fountains, where faces of mythological beings were sculpted with open mouths to allow water, a symbol of life, to flow out. The fountain's water features operate during the year between mid-spring and mid-fall, while the images remain on view year-round. It was a nice trip. We went by car. We love Christmas tree decorations, ice skating, Cloud Gate and Crown Fountain. The buildings of downtown are touching sky. It looks so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.